this video, I'm going to show you how to use Robinhood Cash Card. Like every other debit card, Robinhood Cash Card is also used in a similar way where you can pay online as well as also withdraw cash. Robinhood Cash Card is linked with the Robinhood Spending Account, which only existing customers of Robinhood can create. So if you are an existing customer of the Robinhood, you can easily deposit amounts of money into your spending account so that it can get linked with the Robinhood Cash Card. Now if you head over to this article by Robinhood, you can see various ways of funding your cash card, or basically funding the spending account. You can fund it through direct deposit, transfer funds and ACH transfers. So once you create your spending account, you can spend it virtually or you can withdraw cash as well. Robinhood's Cash Card is virtually available anywhere where Mastercard is accepted, but there are many countries where this card is not available. If you scroll down to the bottom of this article, you can see the number of countries where this card is not available to use. So there are many countries where Cash Card of Robinhood is not accepted. Make sure you take a look at this before you travel and try to use the cash card in these countries. So that was a video about the way that you use the Robinhood Cash Card. I do hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.